Reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving is the trusted choice for all your paving needs in Apollo Beach, Florida. With our dedicated team of skilled professionals and extensive experience, we excel in delivering superior paving solutions for residential and commercial properties. Recognizing the distinctiveness of each project, we pride ourselves on providing personalized attention to meet our clients' specific requirements. Whether it's driveway paving, parking lot installation, asphalt repairs, or seal coating, our mission is to deliver exceptional craftsmanship and unparalleled customer service. Trust reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving to transform your surfaces with quality and expertise that exceed expectations. Apollo Beach, nestled on the picturesque coast of Hillsborough County, Florida, is a vibrant city with a growing population. As of 2021, the population of Apollo Beach was approximately 24,000. Apollo Beach is characterized by its beautiful beaches, each offering its own unique charm and amenities. Some notable neighborhoods include Caribbean Isles, Island Walk Phase 1, Island Walk Phase 2, and Island Walk. Choose reliable Sunshine Asphalt Paving for exceptional asphalt services. Visit our website at https://tampahomeImprovements.com/asphalt-driveway-paving-contractor/ or contact us today at 813-812-0562 for a free estimate and let us transform your property.